So if you recollect yesterday's session, yesterday we have seen the OTB reports overview and what are the features we do have and what is the subject area and how we can get the flex fields informations and how to see the folder structure and how to find the subject area is nothing but every subject area ends with which is suffix subject area. Okay, and yeah, today we'll see the development of OTBA reports. This is the same your catalog screen for your BAP reports. So with help of the same transactional business intelligence, it supports to develop BAP reports as well OTBA reports. Okay. Now in the new section, there is an analysis and interactive reporting, analysis, dashboard, filter, dashboard prompt, and the condition, and actionable intelligence, which is agent and action. These two categories are belongs to your OTBA reporting content. Analysis and interactive reporting and actionable intelligence. These two are categories are belongs to your OTBA reporting content. Here first click on new analysis. So the subject area screen can be populated here. Just you can see and select whichever subject area is required in order to get the data. So these are all the subject areas. By default, I have an access. So I could see all subject areas. So I'm trying to select some supplier subject area here. There is no search criteria here. You need to verify one by one. This is supplier real time. So all your subject areas ends with real time. Okay. Just select suppliers real time. So the subject area can be enabled against one analysis. So this is my subject area. In this subject area, I have n number of folder structures would be there. Folder structures you can see here. So here you can see supplier addresses, supplier contacts, supplier counts, supplier site assignments, supplier sites, supplier spend authorization, and suppliers. Okay, just expand the suppliers, and here you can see the supplier profile. And you can see the supplier information here. So I need supplier number. This is my supplier name. Just double click here so that it will add to your selected columns list. Or you can drag and drop here like this. I am trying to drag and drop supplier type and supplier number and followed by supplier status. So these are the 4 columns I fetched here. Just try to save the same. Just click on the save. And something written, right? We are in GP11 supplier analysis. Analysis. Okay. So it will save the file with the analysis. Just go to the same here. Try to see the physical file. This is GP11 reports and this is my GP11 supplier analysis. There is a round symbol would be available. So presentation of analysis. This is my analysis. Okay. Now here, once you save here, just try to click on the results here. Display and edit views of results. Just click on the result. You can see the output here. The complete output you can see. This is your output. Supplier name, supplier type, supplier number, and the status. This is complete your output of your Fusion application. This is 100% accurate data against your suppliers. Okay. Now try to add sites information here. This is supplier sites and supplier site details. and I need something site information here. This is my site and this is my state, something country, city, something address line 1. This is address line 1. So just try to use the data here. So this is my supplier name, supplier type, supplier number, status, and this is supplier site. So for rest of the suppliers, I don't have any site. If you see, these are site information of a couple of suppliers here. Okay. So the way you can add whichever column is required from any folder and just try to drag and drop the information and try to verify the results. The way you can create your supplier analysis. Okay. So here for each column, we have a couple of properties available.
Vijay, one question though, like
Yes.
we have not maintained any relation between supplier and supply side.
Nothing.
So
By default, it's a supplier real time is nothing. It's a kind of view object.
okay.
View object is depends on multi-select statement here indirectly. This is those multi-select statement column lists Oracle is representing in the format of folder structure. Just we are dragging drop. Already the relationship is maintained by Oracle itself.
Oh, okay.
We are getting exact data. So we are getting supplier followed by the site, right?
Yes.
This is by default, you will get a relationship. And
okay.
You will expected data. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
Now here for each column or for each attribute, you can see there is a properties sections are there, properties. So just click on the properties here. First one, the sort. If you want to add any sort, just go to the sort section, just enable the same. And this edit formula, this is formula column. If you want to create any formula column, just go for the formula columns. This is column properties. First, we'll see the column properties here. This is style. If you want to change any look and feel of that specific the supplier name column, look and feel. Just I want to go for background color something. Just click on OK. And now you can see the data. This is look and feel. You can change like this. And column format. Here, if you want to hide any column at runtime, use this feature hide enable checkbox so that this supplier profile column would be enabled at runtime. Sorry, disabled. Now it's disabled at runtime. Just verify the data. Supplier name is not available in your result set. It's not in your result set. So mostly we will use this feature when we work with the drill down of OTBA reports. Okay. This is how to hide a column at runtime. And I want to change my supplier name heading. Custom column heading would be supplier name here. Just enable the custom heading and you can add the same. Vendor name. Just click on OK. Now this is my vendor name and try to verify the data. Now this is my vendor name. Okay. And this is column form and this is a value suppression. Suppress or repeat. Suppress repeat is nothing but this is XX header followed by the lines. Header followed by the lines, nothing but for a header, if you have 10 lines, header can be repeat only one time. This is by default feature which is suppress. I don't want to go for suppress. I want to go for repeat option. For each line, I want to repeat my header. So enable repeat option so that the records can be deleted. Just observe the same. Now we have in a suppress, by default suppress is enabled. If you have any more than one site, you may see here. For example, here, this is supplier 5037 have n number of sites are there, but the record, the parent, the record header is repeating only one time. So I don't want to go for one time. I want to repeat this record for each site. The moment just you can enable column properties, column format, and the repeat. Only supplier name can be repeat for each column. Sorry, for each site. See, this is my supplier name and followed by each site. This is repeat. If you want to repeat the same supplier type, supplier number, status, you may enable the same property for each column. Okay. And this is the filter. If you want to apply any filters, use this filter. Just click on the filter here. This is column supplier name operator. So on which column you are trying to apply the filter? Supplier name. Operator is, you can use any operators here. Is equal to, is in, is not equal to, is less than, is greater than, is less than, is greater than, or something. You know, you have a couple of operators would be exist here. Just you can use whichever you want. The values, you can see all your supplier name values in the LOB here by default. We'll try to fetching the data, which is supplier names. With all my supplier names, just I'm trying to enable 2 suppliers and verify the data. So these are my 2 suppliers. These are my 2 suppliers data, which I have been applied the filters. Okay, and this is supplier number, filter, and just wait some time, it will try to fetch the data. Something 3455, just click on OK. Supplier name is equal to so and so, and supplier number is equal to so and so value. So I'm using an and representation, nothing but both conditions should be satisfied. So in this case, both conditions should be satisfied. No, since supplier names are different and supplier numbers are different. These supplier names are not belongs to these supplier numbers, and these supplier numbers are not belong to these supplier names. So you won't see any result here. The combination is irrelevant. So there is no results. There is no combination data is available in the result set. Now I want to get the data, even though any one of the condition will be satisfied. The moment you can go for OR condition. Just click on AND, so it will convert to the OR. Again, when you click on the OR, it will convert to the OR AND. Just make it OR condition, try to view the data. You will see the both conditions data now. So these are your both conditions, first 2 vendors and followed by the supply numbers. Okay. The way you can add multiple conditions and satisfy with and or conditions, so that you will get the data as expected. And what else we have? Column properties, and this is data format. Especially when you use any date formats, for example, supplier site, would you have the creation date here? Inactive date, something inactive date is there, or active date. Date of fix, inactive date is there. Let's see if we have any data for inactive date. So this is inactive date is null, no problem. Just go to here, select the inactive date column and column properties and data format. Here override default data format. Okay, so I want to go for custom data format. Okay, just enable the same and you can use the date format whichever is required, or you can type here the date format how you want to display, so that it will try to display respective date format. This is conditional format. Based on condition, if you want to highlight a specific row, then you can go for this condition. So my supplier number is something, just try to select the supplier number and we'll try to, this is my supplier number 46447. Column properties, conditional format, add condition based on supplier number. If supplier number is 46447, just click on OK. I want to change my look and feel of specific row. Something background color, I want to change something like this. Just click on OK and OK. So something I want to change my look and feel for specific column. As of now, this is applied for all the columns irrelevant, right? So based on condition, you may apply like this. In the real time, mostly the client will expect just you can open the AR, open invoices, and closed transactions. Like that, it will, you can highlight with a different color. The moment you can use these conditional formats. And other than these column formats, interaction, this is we'll see later. Okay. And here, status, there is edit formula is available. Just you can add the formula columns here. Formula columns, just click on the f of x function. We have all your functions here: aggregate, string function, math functions, calendar, date, conversion, system, expressions, DB functions. So all the functions you have here. For example, this is my string functions. Something concat. This is my concat. When you select the function here, you can see the syntax as well here. Selected concat, syntax concat expression 1 followed by the 2, and example like this it will execute here. Just click on OK. Here concat of supplier status expression 2, something test value. I'm trying to concat, just click on OK. So this is active status concatenated with this test. So here the column name itself again displaying with a concat. So I don't want to display like this. I want to display only status like this, only status. So what you will do? The concat and edit formula. Here enable custom headings. There is a column heading would be available. Enable the custom heading and remove everything. Just keep status only. Now it is updated with the status. Now you can see actual column name here. My status followed by something manipulated value with the test and get operation. The way you can go for the properties. Okay. So if you want to delete the column, you may delete here. Just click on the delete. The column can be deleted from the selected columns list. Okay. This is how to create an analysis followed by the properties. Any doubts so far? Hope everyone good.
Yes, Vijay.
Okay.
Vijay, I have one question.
Yeah.
If I want to take the data from two different subject areas, how will we do that?
That is, we'll see come across.
Okay. Okay.
So this is how to analysis. Now there is a prompt section is available here. This is a prompt section. Try to delete these values, conditions, filters. There is a prompt section is available. Prompt is nothing but this is called analysis prompt. This is called analysis prompt, nothing but whichever your selectors columns list. Whichever your selectors columns here in the selected columns list, By using this columns list, you can create a parameters here in the prompt. Prompt is nothing but a kind of parameter section. Okay. We are providing a facility to the end user to enter the values through parameters to select the target values. Okay. So select the analysis prompt and just click on the new here, column prompt. Column prompt, when you select, you can see all your selected columns, list columns these are. So I'm trying to select the supplier number. And here, if you want, you can change any conditions, custom label. You can if you want to change, you can change, and user input choice list. And you can use couple of options are here available. If you want to make it as a mandatory, requires user input, which is mandatory, enable. Just click on OK. Supplier number can be added here. And this is your parameters, which is LOV. When you expand the same here, you can see all your values here. So I will execute here. There is a preview button will be available. Just click on the preview. This is supplier number and try to select two suppliers. Just click on OK. Now we'll get an output here for those two suppliers. Okay. This is analysis prompt level. The same screen would be available. The same screen would be available, which is an independent prompt that is called dashboard prompt. The same screen would be available as independent, that is called dashboard prompt. That is not, the dashboard prompt will not depend on any subject, any analysis. Okay. This is advanced section. And here you can see kind of SQL statement. What is the SQL issue is nothing but this is SQL statement against your analysis. Just you can go through the same, but this is not useful for us. Okay. Now we have created this analysis, right? There is a dashboard concept would be there, dashboard concept. If you see here, analysis, dashboard prompt and the dashboard. Whichever prompt is there, the same would be available as an independent dashboard prompt. This dashboard prompt can be linked with one or more analysis. Whereas analysis prompt can be linked with only respective analysis. Within the analysis, we are trying to create the prompt, whereas dashboard prompt can be linked with one or more analysis in order to get the data. And this analysis and the dashboard prompt will place in one of the container. Okay, this analysis and the dashboard prompt we will place in one of the container. I think what's called as a dashboard. This is called a dashboard. Okay. Now just remove that prompt analysis prompt level and we'll try to create a dashboard prompt. There is no analysis prompt now. Just save this. Now click on new dashboard prompt. When you select the dashboard prompt, it will request a subject area on which subject area you are trying to create a dashboard prompt. Nothing but the parameters. This is supplier real time. And here just click on the new column prompt. Here suppliers profile. Earlier we could see here selected columns list, right? Now we will select it as a complete subject area. This is my supplier number. Just click on OK. Just click on OK. Now supplier number get added to your result set. Nothing but dashboard prompt. Just try to save this in. Now we are trying to save as an independent. GP11 supplier dashboard prompt. Just click on OK. Now the dashboard prompt will be created successfully. Just try to preview the data here. You will get all your supplier numbers and just click on apply. You won't see any data here since this dashboard prompt is not linked with any analysis. The reason you are getting a blank data, no output, there is no execution here. This is nothing but only for parameter enable. Dashboard prompt is nothing but just we are enabling the parameter. Now we will add a relationship between this dashboard prompt and our own independent analysis. This dashboard prompt is independent and your analysis is also independent now, right? Now we need to add these two categories, nothing but dashboard prompt and analysis will place on one of the dashboard, nothing but the container. Okay. For that, just click on the new and the dashboard. So very first time it will take some time in order to create the dashboard. In general, it won't take time this much. Okay, now GP11 dashboard. And I'm trying to create the dashboard in my own location. Browse catalog. At last, you can find the browse catalog and try to create in GP11 folder. GP11 reports, just click on OK. Just click on OK. Just click on OK. Now the dashboard is creating here. Now it's in edit mode. Now this is your dashboard container where you can place your analysis and dashboard prompts on your dashboard container. So in order to place the content, there is the left side columns and sections would be available. Just you can drag and drop the columns and sections here. So how many columns, how many sections you want to divide and how you want to display your components. So as of now, I'm drag and drop one of the column. The left side, you can see the catalog pane. Just expand the shade folders and just navigate your target folder. And this is my GP11 reports. So here I have analysis. This is my analysis and dashboard prompt. Just drag and drop the dashboard prompt on your dashboard. This is my dashboard prompt and drag and drop supplier analysis. Wherever blue color is highlighting in this, there is a provision to add this component wherever blue color is highlighted. So I'm trying to add here. So this is my dashboard prompt and this is my analysis. Just try to save it and there is a preview option is available. Just click on the preview. So this is my complete data, right? Now here, instead of preview, there is a run option would be available. Just click on the run. This is my supplier number and this is my dashboard prompt and analysis. Okay. Select the value 003 and apply. We are not getting the respective value right in your result set. Nothing but your analysis. We are not getting for such supplier value output. Now we need to add a relationship between these two components. You need to add a relationship between these two components. So how will you add a relationship is nothing but always the subject area would be same for the both components. This is supplier real-time subject area. This is also supplier real-time subject area. And column name should be also same. Column name also should be present in the same subject area. Now go to the catalog. This is my analysis. Just edit the analysis. So we are enable supplier number as a parameter in the dashboard prompt, right? The same supplier number you need to add in the result set, in the result, the selected column list of analysis, and just click on the filter. And operator is prompted. Instead of operator, you can select is prompted. Just select is prompted. Just click on OK. Now what it will do, whichever dashboard prompt value is there, dashboard prompt value it will supply to supplier number is prompted whenever the both subject areas and both columns would be same. It will verify the subject area would be same or not, and the column name is same or not. If it is same, it will try to pass the value when you enable supplier number is prompted. Okay. Now just click on apply here. Just click on edit the dashboard. Just save it and run it. Now it is executing. Supplier number. We will get a respective result here. Okay. The way you need to add a relationship between your one analysis to your subject area, sorry, your dashboard prompt. Now, on this dashboard container, you can place n number of dashboard prompts and n number of analysis. Now try to create one more analysis. Just click on the new, sorry, data mode. Analysis. And you can select the same, or you can go for the payables, which is associated with the suppliers. This is payables real time. This is payables invoice transactions real time. And here you can select the invoice related information. This is invoice details and invoice general information. It's not opening. Just try to open the same again. Analysis. This is invoice details and general information. It's taking more time to expand the same. Yeah. General information. I have invoice details information here. This is my invoice number. This is invoice type name. And this is more enough. And I can add one more subject area here. Add, remove subject areas here. Add, remove subject area. The primary subject area is payables invoice transaction real time, whichever we have added. You cannot delete this subject area, which is primary. Now you can add one more subject area here. Suppliers real time. Since these are two interrelated subject areas, right? Suppliers and payables. The way you can add these two more than one subject area, which are interrelated. If you add irrespective subject areas, you won't get any data. Just click on the same. Suppliers, supplier profile. and supplier number. Now verify the data. This is my supplier number and followed by invoice type and followed by invoice number. So we have only one supplier data is available in this instance. Just try to save the same. Invoice analysis. Now I want to see this data for parameterized supplier number is prompted. Just enable the same. Supplier number is prompted. Just click on OK. Now place this analysis on your dashboard. Now we are trying to add one more analysis on my dashboard. Just click on the edit the dashboard. Here shade folders and it's discussed and discussed right. Chip 11 reports and followed by invoice analysis. Just drag and drop. Just drag and drop invoice analysis. Just save it and try to run the same. If you see here, there is an observation here. When you click on the run, without user intervention, you are able to see the data on your analysis level. Both analysis, you are able to see the data. It is executing runtime by default. So I don't want to be run this analysis runtime. I need to wait until enter the parameters for my dashboard prompt. Okay. So for that, just click on edit the dashboard. And there is a dashboard properties will be available here. Tools, dashboard properties. Here, prompt before opening. Prompt before opening, just enable the same. Just click on OK. Save and run it. Now it will open, and now it will wait until you enter the parameters. Now I'm trying to enter the parameter here, something, and just click on the continue here. Now it will try to execute two, analysis. One of the analysis I got the result. For one of the analysis, there is no data for this supplier. Okay, there is a data for this supplier. There is a data for invoice analysis for a specific supplier number. We will try to get that. $45002. Something you can enter more search. 45002. Just click on OK and apply. Since we are enable the same subject area parameter, same subject area column and the same subject area column, which is prompted. So automatically values can be supplied to your respective analysis and you will get the expected output. Okay. This is the dashboard. The way you can create n number of dashboard prompts and n number of analysis on your dashboard, and you can place all on your container. So other than this, we have a, just open the analysis. Here, supplier number, just go to the properties. There is an interaction property will be there. Interaction property is nothing, but if you want to, open one more analysis which help, or this is, open the third party URLs, or it will enable one of the hyperlinks. For that hyperlink, you can enable couple of properties. Just click on the action links. Okay. Just click on the new here, add action link. So what are the action links you can add for your nothing but something I'm trying to add view Gmail. Just click on the new here, create a new action. These actions you can create. ADF navigate to BA content, ADF contextual event, navigate to BA content, navigate a web page, invoke a web service, invoke a Java method, invoke a browser script, server script, and HTTP request. So whichever you want, you can use as the action links. It enable one of the hyperlink. When you click on that hyperlink, it will navigate to this action links. So as of now, I'm enabling navigate to BA content. Okay, sorry. I'm enabled to web service, sorry, not web service. Something web page, navigate a web page. Something google.com. If you want to add any parameter, just click on define parameters. It will define the parameter. Just click on OK. Now here, just enable the same, edit the same, and the properties would be there. We can open in a edit action, options, open a new window. Just click on OK. And save it. Just click on the result. On supplier number, we can see a hyperlink. There is a hyperlink would be available. Just click on the same. It will open a view Gmail or Google. Just click on the same. So it will open a different browser, which is Google. The way you can perform action links. The same way. This is vendor name, and or we want to see the site. Column properties, interaction, action links, view sites. Navigate to BA content and select my analysis. I want to open one more analysis from the parent analysis. This is a invoice analysis. Just click on OK. Options, open a new window, or within the window it will open. Just click on OK, OK, and OK. Just save it. The results. Now, for which site, right? This is my site. View sites. Just click on save. Now it will open your analysis, your invoice analysis, which is supply number is equal to 46447. If you see here, supply number is 46447. This is my supply number 46447. So how this is passing the context between your parent analysis to child analysis. When I click on here, view sites is nothing but, again, we are enabled supplier number is prompted. Okay, for the both analysis. When you enable the supplier number is prompted, so automatically it will try to pass the value from the supplier number. Okay, something we have a value 40552, which is having the values, right? Just hard code the same here. Okay. So for this supplier, we have the data in my analysis. There is no data. 45002. Just take it. 45002. Just click on OK. The results. This is my supply number. This is my site, view sites, so that it will open your invoice analysis and you can see the invoices data here for that supplier. So how it is passing the context between these two analyses, nothing but we are enabled supplier number is prompted and supplier number is available in your both analysis. By default, it will pass the value and try to filter the data. Getting the way you can work on drill down the reports from one analysis to another analysis by using this action link context. Always you need to enable supplier number is prompted. Okay. So this is all about action links. The same action links is available as an independent here. See here, actionable intelligence, there is an action is available. Just click on the action and it's gone. Just click on the action, navigate to BA content. Just I'm trying to create in the same folder. And here GP11 action link. Just click on OK. Sorry, analysis, right? So I'm trying to open this analysis. Just click on OK. And options, open a new window. Just click on OK and save action. Now you can save this. Just click on OK. Now the action link gets successfully saved in your catalog folder. Just open the catalog folder here. You can see this is the action link. Edit and execute. Just click on the execute. It will try to open this behind the action and or new window. This is my supplier analysis. Okay. Now I want to place this action link on my dashboard container. Yes, you can. Just go edit your dashboard. Here, expand the same. Discussed GP11 reports and so action link is not enabled here. So there is no access for action link. Directly you can enable from here. The left side, the dashboard objects, you can see the action link. Just drag and drop the action link here and add the action link here. XYZ and view Google something and action link menu. Navigate to the web page. Just click on OK and edit the action. Options, open a new window. Just click on OK, OK, OK. Now the action link is created. Just click on the run. See that action. See here, view Google, navigate to gmail.com, something google.com. This is my action link. Just click on the same, it will open your action link. The way you can create action link and group of action links as well. This is action link menu. Just enable action link menu here. Action link menu, something links. So here you can add the action links. Sites. I'm trying to call one analysis. This is my analysis or supplier analysis. Just click on OK. Options, open a new window. Click on OK, OK, OK. I want to create one more action link. To Google. Navigate to web page. Just click on OK. Now two action links can be created. Just click on the run. It will create a menu. This is links. Just click on the links. You can see the two action links. So whichever you want, just you can execute the same. Action link. Okay, so this is all about something of OTBA reports. Tomorrow we'll see the rest of. Okay. Any doubts, any clarifications before closing for today?